Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with the G20 robot vacuum and mop combo, a powerful and efficient cleaning solution for your home. This sleek device boasts a brushless motor and a 2,600 mAh battery, offering up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning, while its 200 ml dustbin and 230 ml water tank allow it to vacuum and mop simultaneously on surfaces like tile, wood, carpet, and marble. With smart control features, you can easily manage the G20 using an app or voice commands via Alexa, making scheduling and performance monitoring a breeze. Choose from 4 cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, to ensure over 85% cleaning efficiency, while its anti-fall and anti-collision sensors help it navigate obstacles and protect your furniture. Standing at just 2.91 inches tall, this robot can slide under furniture to tackle hidden dust and automatically return to its charging dock when the job is done or the battery is low. Pet owners will appreciate its advanced suction system and tangle-free design, which effortlessly handles pet hair, while the efficient HEPA filter captures dust and odors for a noiseless and thorough clean. Experience the future of home cleaning with the G20, your high-tech assistant that lets you focus on what truly matters.